I think we have this entire spectrum of application that can cover from the conceptualization of that product to its delivery, to its service, and then probably to its recycling. Product breadth standpoint, platform's breadth standpoint, we cover all the aspects that an organization requires. I don't think there is any country that has more consumers than India for any consumer-based organizations, right. Whether it is cars, whether it is consumer goods, right? India is the market because we have billion population. Okay. India is an opportunity not just for Indian companies, but there are so many other foreign OEMs coming and setting up their bases here. So India is developing for India, and it is also developing for the global market.
Dassault Systems is hosting their first ever ENOVIA User Conference in India, bringing together industry leaders, customers, and technology experts. We are joined by Mr. Ravikiran Pothukuchi to understand how Dassault Systems is prepared to address the challenge of managing complexity in high growth sectors like aerospace, defense, EV, infrastructure, and advanced manufacturing. So this is the, I think, first ever user conference in India. How significant is this event, if you can tell us more about that?
This particular forum is a first ever user forum for 3D experience and ENOVIA applications.
Right.
So 3D experience platform is a platform, and then we have an application within that called ENOVIA. This is all for all governance applications. When I say governance, your product data management, product configuration management, product variant management, bill of material management, right? The stakeholder management within the team collaboration, external stakeholder collaboration, ideation. So there are so many aspects that go into new product development. Many people have to come together. People who are developing the mechanical components, electrical components, software components have to come together, right? And when they come together, they have to bring these pieces together, the artifacts together, and then integrate them in a nice fashion that they have this interoperating ability to deliver the end product performance. And that's where this application is very, very critical. Today, one of the customers has presented about how they're using these ENOVIA project management solution to manage their complex product as a project management piece. How the issues are getting mitigated, right? So all these aspects being looked at with the intelligence and insights from the project execution standpoint. So one of the new dimensions that we have added into this project management application is also give the project intelligence and project analytics with an information on what to anticipate, how things are happening, whether they're happening on time, on budget, and if they're not happening on time, on budget, what are the reasons why it is getting delayed, and how those delays can be mitigated or can be overcome in the subsequent days and weeks. So all these insights are also getting created.
If you have to point out three key pointers that makes this particular platform unique from the others which are already available in the
product breadth standpoint, platform's breadth standpoint, we cover all the aspects that an organization requires. We have applications for product innovation, we have applications for process validation and process reengineering, we have applications for people collaboration and people interaction, and then we have applications for data analytics and artificial intelligence. So when all these four capabilities of product, process, people, data, these four pillars are enabled on one unified platform with one unified user experience and single data referential, the organization's life becomes much easier, which is not the case with our other applications in the market. They are very heterogeneous, very siloed. They may only do the product innovation, some applications, but nothing on the data side. They may have something for manufacturing, but nothing on the collaboration. Some people have a few of it, but nothing on the supply chain management. So in short, if there is any one organization that has an operating system for a product design organizations, I think we have this entire spectrum of application that can cover from the conceptualization of that product to its delivery, to its service, and then probably to its recycling as well.
You are targeting the high growth sectors like aerospace, EV, infrastructure, advanced manufacturing. Why India?
If you take aerospace and defense, ever since we had some tough time, the geopolitical situation tells that the defense investments are increasing by every year. Right. Even in the recent budget, the defense spend outlay has been significantly increased. So there is a lot of technological development that's happening, especially from the indigenous development standpoint. Gone are the days where we are acquiring products from outside and we are indigenously developing. Indigenous development requires digital technologies that can enable this thing. I don't think there is any country that has more consumers than India for any consumer-based organizations, whether it is cards, whether it is consumer goods, right? India is the market because we have billion population, and many global organizations are coming to India and setting up their plants. India is an opportunity not just for Indian companies, but there are so many other foreign OEMs coming and setting up their bases here. So India is developing for India and it is also developing for the global market. So we are probably riding the best times of ours as far as this overall market momentum is concerned. Being a digital technology company that can help enable this entire transformation, we are also rightly positioned to provide them with these technologies and probably capture some market share in the process.
Thank you so much. Great to meet you. Right.
Thank you.
So that was Mr. Ravikiran Pothukuchi sharing his insights on Dassault Systems roadmap for Indian market.